my name is Melanie. Melane. And my name is Carlos, Carlos. Today we will show you how to make a circuit board. You need to collect 5 items. You need cardboard paper, tape, pipe cleaners, battery, and Christmas light with exposed wires. You can think of a design. What you need to do is think of a design on your paper and find the location where you want to put the battery and the light. For example, this is where I'm going to put my battery, and this is where I'm going to put my Christmas light, and you can think of a design on what you want to make with your pipe cleaner, and just make sure you have a pathway, complete pathway, nothing blocking the pathway. So you can get your energy, your electricity from the battery. Here is an example. There it is, lighting up, yay! This is a great way to show that we are all connected. I hope you enjoyed making this circuit board. And thank you, PTA, for providing all the materials we will need to make this circuit board. Thank you. Enjoy.